Hey guys, it's Noelle. Throughout my Plan With Me series, I've been showing you a ton of cool ways to decorate your bullet journal, from using brush pens and calligraphy to cool stamps and printouts. But one of the coolest, most versatile way to decorate your bullet journal is one you may not have even thought of: washi tape. What's great about it is that it's not only a really easy way to make your bullet journal look super pretty, it's also really functional. I'm going to show you all the wonderful things that you can do with washi tape in your bullet journal. But before I do, definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future bullet journaling tips and tricks. All right, let's get into it. The first really cool thing that you can do with washi tape is add accents to your pages. And what that means is that when you're doing a page, like a title page for your month, and you kind of are like out of ideas and you're like, I don't know how I'm gonna make this page pop, just get some washi tape and add it as an accent. And all of a sudden your page is gonna be 10 times more beautiful thanks to your wonderful washi tape. Here's an example of using accents. On my January title page, I wrote out January and put a blue drop shadow under it. But I wanted something to make the page pop a little bit more than just the drop shadow. So I took this cool cloud and heart washi tape from Mochi and cut it in half and added it to the side as a border. Then I did the same thing with some yellow washi tape. Then I mirrored the same thing on the bottom left of the spread. And there you have it. Those are your accents. But you can use washi tape as accents any way you want. It doesn't have to be this kind of border thing. Like you just saw in my intro, I put washi tape everywhere, kind of just like confetti. And I really like how that turned out. The next trick that I want to show you really dives into how to use washi tape functionally in your bullet journal. And that's to use it as dividers. A divider helps you navigate your bullet journal. And using washi tape to make one is beyond simple. It literally takes 2 seconds. Obviously, you want to get to your monthly page pretty easily because it indicates where a new month in your bullet journal starts. So to indicate that this is a new month, I pull out a piece of washi tape that's a little bit longer than the length of a page and then paste it to the very edge of the page. Then I turn the page and fold the tape over and just make sure it lies flat on the edge of the page. The next step is that if there's any washi tape extending past the length of the page, just use scissors to cut it off. And that's it. Now, when you close your bullet journal, you'll be able to see exactly where January starts in it. Just so you can see how dividers work when you use them a lot, here's my personal journal. I use a divider every time I start a new month. So the last divider always opens up to the current month. Although it's not November, but I'm in a new bullet journal now, so what can I say? The next trick that I'm going to show you is how to save your boring paper clips from being boring AF. Instead of going out and spending more money on fancy schmancy paper clips, all you have to do is take your regular boring paper clips and then take different pieces of washi tape and cut them to the size of the paper clip so that you can thread the washi tape through the paper clip, fold it over so that the washi tape sticks to the top of the paper clip, and then cut out a little triangle at the top to make it look like a little flag. And there you have it. Super cute little paper clips. Who knew homemade paper clips could be so cute? This also makes your bullet journal much more functional because you can use a particular color washi tape on your paper clip to mark different sections of your bullet journal. So now I know that the green floral paper clip marks off my January opening page. And now I can just easily jump right to it. Another great way to use washi tape functionally is to use it as tabs. In your personal agenda, you might be used to every month being separated by a little tab on the right side of your agenda. Well, you can easily make tabs with washi tape. All you have to do is take a piece of washi tape. I used the same color as my dividers for each month and fold it over the page so that you can easily grab it when your journal is closed and go to that particular page. The next cool thing that you can do with washi tape is use it as a picture frame. How I used it was I wrote out my memories page and took a picture of me and my sisters on New Year's. And then all you do is take your chosen color of washi tape. I used gold because it feels Christmassy / New Year's-y. And then paste the picture in using the washi tape as a frame. And then in no time at all, you've got a picture frame. The next trick that I'm going to show you is how to use washi tape as a header background. It's a super simple way to make your headers pop. The way you do this is take a piece of washi tape that's the general size you want your header to be, paste it in your bullet journal where you want the header to be, and then write your header on top of it. I found this really useful when I didn't feel like coloring or getting out more pens to make my page pop. If you just take a little bit of washi tape, all of a sudden your page is pumped up to the next level without having to worry about a bunch of pens and markers. The next cool thing that you can do with washi tape is create flags with it. This is a purely prettifying trick. What I do is take a small piece of washi tape that's about 4 to 5 rows long and cut a little triangle in it at the bottom and then paste it in my bullet journal. I do that 3 times on the page, each one to represent a different day in the week. Then I draw a line to separate each section. Then I write the day of the week next to the flag in calligraphy. And then you just do this every time you need to set up a new dailies page. I think it's just a super quick, fun way to make your daily page look really pretty without a ton of work. The last cool thing that I'm gonna show you how to do with washi tape is actually a spread. It's a washi tape inventory. Once your washi tape collection starts growing, it might start to get hard to keep track of your favorite colors and what you want to use for a particular spread. So the solution is to make a washi tape inventory of swatches. To make a washi tape inventory, it's really up to you. You can just put a title on a page and start pasting all your different washi tapes into it, but I made mine a little prettier. I wrote washi tape inventory at the top of the page, and then I drew little hanging boards. All you have to do is draw a rectangle with a triangle on top and maybe a little dot to look like a pin. And then I drew 15 of those on the page. After that, I just ripped out tiny pieces of all my different washi tapes and pasted them inside the boards. Now you have a nice little overview of all your washi tapes. And if you feel like your washi tape collection is gonna grow, you can make this a 2-page spread, or you can leave a few pages open if you think that you'll need it. That's it. I hope this video helps you make the most out of your washi tape from here on out. Are there any ways that you use washi tape that I didn't mention in this video? If there is, definitely drop it in the comments below because I want to know everything. Then subscribe to 17 on YouTube so that you don't miss out on any of my future bullet journaling tips and tricks. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.